miles east, where you should be, no one's around. Need a phone call. I need a raincoat.
That's high. It's in the harmony.
Oh, I need a. You go higher?
No, I'm just saying for the harmony, it's really high.
I need a big love. I need a phone call. Same conversations, passing me by. I don't have nothing to say. You get what you pay for, and I just had no intentions of living this way. I need a phone call. I need a plane ride. I need a sunrise. I need a raincoat. And I get no answers. And I don't get no change. It's raining in Baltimore, baby, and everything else is the same. There's things I remember, some things I forget. I miss you, I guess that I should. 3,500 miles away. What would you choose if you could? I need a phone call. Maybe I should buy a tree house. Maybe I should put a llama on a man. I need a phone call. Let's go back to freight train. And I can always hear a freight train. I'm lonely for real hard. I wish this was a small world. I'm lonely for the big towns. I'd like to hear a little guitar. I think it's time to put the top down. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. Maybe I need a raincoat. I really 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 fucked up the ending, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That really...